Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove the View Insights on an Instagram post, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First things first, open the Instagram app on your Samsung phone. Make sure you're already logged into your account before moving forward. Step 2. Once the app is open, look for the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to access your profile. Step 3. Now that you're on your profile, you'll see all your posts. Select any post, and you'll notice the View Insights option. To remove it, return to your profile menu and tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. Step 4. From the menu that appears, scroll down and find the Creator Tools and Controls option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Within this menu, scroll down and select Switch Account Type. Step 6. Finally, tap on Switch to Personal Account and confirm by selecting Switch to Personal Account again. You've successfully removed the View Insights option. To confirm, go back to your profile and open any post. You'll notice the View Insights option is no longer visible. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.